Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb put across and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning 1 of the phrasal verb put across is to communicate your ideas and feelings, etc., in a way that is easy to understand. The Board of Management explains their plans to the team. After we put this across to you guys today, we'd like you all to implement it right away. One of the staff members is confused about his task. I'm not sure of what to do. I wish my manager was a little better at putting things across. The media is a very convenient way to announce news in the country. Radio stations put across nationwide news every hour on the hour. Meaning 2 of put across is to be received favorably. When someone puts themselves across well, sometimes it's a camouflage of what type of character they really are. The interview candidate plans their interview. I'm going to put myself across really well in the interview. I want them to see my potential. They discuss what they think of the previous interview candidate. I'm not quite sure about them. They put themselves across well, but I'm not convinced. They're hiding something. So let's look back on what we covered. Put across can mean to communicate your ideas and feelings, etc., in a way that is easy to understand. We put across some good ideas in the meeting. To be received favorably. He put himself across very well and he ended up successful. Where did you hear the phrasal verb put across? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.